Today I'm holding myself accountable. Hello, welcome. How are you today? Today I'm doing spoilers. Of course, for Boxycharm and for the Ipsy Glam bag. I'm holding myself accountable because last month I did not do them and I didn't skip the month that I wanted to skip because it wasn't really like what I wanted. The unboxing part wasn't so bad, but you know, we'll get there. Today, I'm going through the June Boxycharm spoilers and the June Ipsy Glam bag spoilers. So if you want to know what you may or may not get in your next month's box, then just keep on watching. You guys, it's looking like it's a good month. Oh, fuck. The first spoiler is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. Impurities melting away in 3, 2, 1. This creamy gel to foam cleanser gently yet effectively cleanses your face to reveal softer, refreshed skin. Colloidal oatmeal and avocado help soothe and hydrate, while ceramides and pre and post biotics help strengthen and balance skin's moisture barrier. I'm sorry, I am like tongue-tied. I can't read for some reason today. But I feel like my skin would love this, but I don't know if I'm gonna get this because I did just receive the Murad one and I'm going to try it tonight because I didn't try it yesterday, but I'm going to try it tonight. This one seems so good. The avocado seems so good. The colloidal oatmeal seems so good. I love prebiotics. I love probiotics. Let's put them in my face. Let's put them on this face. I am manifesting this fucking cleanser because, bitch, I need it somehow. Love Glow Recipe. I need it. Glow Recipe is like the best. Next spoiler we have is the Wander Beauty Wanderlust Powder Foundation. Ready for complexion perfection that lasts all day. This lightweight and ultra-fine powder foundation delivers buildable coverage that helps smooth, blur, and even skin tone, all without settling into fine lines and wrinkles. Infused with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and aloe, it also makes sure to keep your skin hydrated all day long. This looks good as fuck. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm cursing. I'm tired. It's 10:33 and I haven't eaten, so but this looks so good. It sounds so good. Now reading that description, I want to smack it on my face and see what it does. This shade looks like it can match. This looks so good. I'm not totally a fan of all powder foundations. They can really be hit or miss. I have extremely dry skin, but this has a bunch of moisturizing ingredients, so I feel like it'll be really good for me. So I want to see, maybe we can use it as an under eye powder. I don't know, I'm interested. The third spoiler is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. You know that one beauty product you take with you on a deserted island? This is it. This must-have moisturizer delivers all-day hydration and SPF in a single step. It features zinc oxide, a non-nano SPF that helps filter harmful UV rays, and glycerin to help soften and smooth your skin. This looks so good. And I don't need skincare. You guys, I don't need skincare, but I want it. It sounds so good. And First Aid Beauty makes such good skincare, and they just turned cruelty free, so I feel like I can finally like dive into them. And I love when brands convert into being cruelty free, because then it makes me and more people like me interested in trying their brands. I'm really interested in this, and if this is a choice item, I'm gonna be very tempted to choose it. The fourth spoiler is the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. Get your dull and rough looking skin back to a smooth and soft and supple state with help from this revitalizing scrub. It's gentle enough to use every day, and the grapefruit and rosehip oils help balance your skin and keep your oil production in check. With the brightening powers of vitamin C built in, this exfoliant will help you be on your way to radiant skin. I don't love physical exfoliation. I have eczema prone skin, so I don't like to be too harsh on my skin. It is extremely sensitive this time of year because it starts to get hot and my skin really doesn't love that. So I don't love exfoliating my skin, but if I do get this, I would just keep it for like a giveaway or something. It's not a big deal. It's just I prefer not, and if it's a choice item, I'm not picking it. This is definitely not a spoiler I'm excited for, but it's just the one. It's just one. Like the rest I'm like, okay. The fifth spoiler is the Briogeo Hair Care Superfoods Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1 Leave-In Spray. This multitasking leave-in spray helps leave hair conditioned, detangled, and nourished. It's fortified with green smoothie inspired phytonutrients to help nourish your hair while also helping to provide UV protection from the drying and damaging rays of the sun, which is very interesting to me because I've never seen that in a hair product. I wonder if it like weighs your hair down, because that's a big problem with hair care products. They just weigh my hair down and they make my hair heavy, and then I have no volume, and I really like my volume. The sixth spoiler is the half-caked I Defy Zero Gravity Mascara, introducing the ultimate solution for gravity defying lashes. The non-irritating hypoallergenic mascara formula effortlessly lifts, curls, and defines without clumping or flaking. A few swipes and you will be on your way to creating lashes that are light as air yet bold as can be. The brush looks good. The mascara looks black, like it's dark. You can barely see the wand. I'm excited to see how dark this mascara is. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it because I did get another mascara last month, which I like that mascara. It's such a good mascara. I'd be interested in trying this one too. I don't know, man. I don't know what's wrong with me lately. The seventh and last spoiler is the Rem Beauty Lunar Magic Blurring Primer. Maybe it's magic, maybe it's this blurring primer. This formula contains the brand's Hydra Blur Essence to nourish skin with hydration, microalgae to soothe, ectoin to defend against environmental stressors, and vitamin C packed Iju lemon to help brighten. The result is a smoother looking complexion with a matte finish that keeps makeup from melting off. I'm interested in trying it as well. I'm interested in trying a lot of items on the spoiler list, and I'm hoping that I get to see some of these in the choices, that I get some of them as power picks. Like, please give them to me. Like, please. I'm begging. You can have my money, but you have to give me something in return. Let's get into June's glam bag spoilers. The first one I have is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Length and Define Mascara. Lift your lashes to the sky with this gravity defying mascara. Its precision bristles help to grab and coat each hair for a full fanned out effect. Plus, the water resistant formula nourishes at the same time thanks to castor seed oil. Tree Hallows helps lengthen and fortifying peach extract. I've tried this mascara. It's a really good mascara. This one's probably a mini that's like this big, but it looks so cute. And I'm tempted to subscribe to this because these spoilers look good too, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna hold myself back. But I don't know about this one because I haven't tried it in a really long time, but I did just try the upgraded lashes. Amazing. So good. I feel like I don't need to wear falsies with this. This is so good and I'm so excited to use it. The second spoiler is the Formula Z Cosmetics Glamgasm Pro Artistry Face and Eye Palette. Glamming on the go has never been easier thanks to this palette. It features 6 stunning eyeshadows, both matte and metallic, and a coral pink blush and a creamy champagne highlighter. Each shade is formulated with skin-loving ingredients like vitamin E and hyaluronic acid to keep your complexion looking plump and hydrated. Since when have we been getting full-size eyeshadow palettes in the glam bag? I feel like that's unfair because for many years I was subscribed and never have I gotten that. This looks so good. I think I've tried a palette from this brand, Formula Z, and it was really nice. The mattes were really nice, really blendable. The third spoiler is the Ace Beauty Maximum Impact Liquid Eyeshadow in Stella Dusk. This gorgeous rose gold liquid eyeshadow is exactly what your makeup routine has been missing. It's never been easier to glide on a vibrant hue and instantly take your eyes to the next level. Could have sworn we've seen this before, but in the Boxycharm or Glam Bag Plus, when it was called that. This looks like a beautiful color, but I'm not a fan of liquid eyeshadows, so I would not be interested in this. But the color does look really nice. It's like a bronzy kind of coppery shade. Very pretty. The fourth spoiler is the Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum. When they say brightening, they really mean it. Green tea enzymes and vitamin C are stars of the show in this serum, helping it to exfoliate and brighten your skin. This gentle formula also features hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and tangerine peel extract to help the radiance even more. This looks tiny. This looks like minuscule, but it sounds really nice. Green tea, tangerine peel extract, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, like I would like to try it because like how long can it take me to go through it? The fifth spoiler is the Sophia plus Mabel Too Pretty palette in Sunlit Sand. This bronzer and highlighter combo is just too pretty to pass up. It features 2 gorgeous shades in a buildable powder formula that's meant to accentuate and highlight your best features. This looks so cute. Honestly, they're doing such a good job in this bag. I have been paying attention to them getting better with the Glam bag, and this looks so nice. Like for very fair to light skin tones, this seems like a really nice product. Hopefully the formula is up to par, but a highlighter is pretty hard to mess up, I'm not gonna lie. The sixth and last spoiler for the Ipsy Glam bag is the First Aid Beauty Brighten Plus Glow Moisturizer with Vitamin C. This light and refreshing gel cream moisturizer is just what your skin ordered, made with vitamin C, papaya, ginger extract, and peach micro pearls. It delivers instant hydration to parched skin and leaves it with the most gorgeous glow. As I said earlier, love me some First Aid Beauty. Their skincare is just really nice. There's nothing bad in it. It is perfect for my sensitive skin and I love it. I would love to try this. If it's available in the shop for like $3, I would buy it because I just want to try different types of moisturizers. I want to find one that suits my skin perfectly and it's not too expensive and I can repurchase it over and over again. That's what I'm looking for. I don't want like a drawer full of skincare, although being subscribed to Ipsy means that you may get a drawer full of skincare. Anyway, it seems to be like more skincare heavy this month, but I mean it's good skincare, so I don't even really mind too much as long as you're giving me good brands. Sometimes they throw in like Kat Berkey. I don't want that. Don't throw that in here. But like I love Gold Fathom, I love Kate Somerville, I love Glow Recipe. First Aid Beauty, like I want to see more of that. Murad, just got a Murad cleanser. I'm gonna use it tonight. I'm gonna film with it and I'm gonna post it in my Boxycharm video. You guys are gonna see it in there. You're gonna be like, this bitch is crazy. It's fine. You're not gonna see anything. I'm just wiping away my face, but it's fine. With that being said, I would love to hear your thoughts on these spoilers. What are you feeling? I know some of you are gonna be like, girl, I'm not into this. You're great, you can be into it. I'm not into this. I want to hear your thoughts anyways. Please let me know. Thank you so much for always watching and hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. We're also manifesting that I get some sun because damn. But you know that one beauty product you take with you on a deserted can't English? Phytonutrients, because that's a big product, that are light as ectone. I'm interested in trying it, but it's so cute for many days. I love posting like